2020 cars are getting many people excited about trading in, but you may want to wait. Everything you need to know before you upgrade when we return. Howard Fleischmann is here from Community Tire Pros. A lot of us are seeing those 2020 cars. They're coming out. Ooh. That new Corvette.
Oh, yeah,
incredible.
The new Corvette. And
so I should just sell my car and get the Corvette?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hard yes. Think so. Segment over, back to you. But we're talking about
the mid-engine Corvette. That's
yes.
pretty
okay, so
cool.
we should get that one.
Yep, I think so.
So, but we shouldn't always get the brand new car because...
Yeah, remember the best used car you've ever buy is probably the one you're already driving.
Why is that?
So we need to look and see what's going on with the vehicle. Yeah. You know, normal maintenance you're going to have whether you buy a new one or you've got a used one. So if you've been staying up on top of the maintenance, it's going to keep the cost in line. You're going to have brakes, you're going to have hoses, you're going to have belts, you're going to have a timing belt. All this stuff is going to happen. So there's lots of offers out there right now.
I know.
But you got to remember, when you're buying that new car, 30% of the value is gone as soon as you drive it off the showroom. So some hints, if you're not going to a dealer, we use this in one of our training classes for drivers. And don't tell me it's not going to work.
Come on, you little rascal.
Yep, there we go.
Okay.
So, when you jump into a car that you're thinking about buying, the first thing you need to look at is, when I get in and turn the key, what happens to my lights? Okay? So all the lights light up, okay? That's perfect. Except that one, and we'll get back to that one in a minute. So now we start the car. At that point, all the lights go off.
Okay.
Okay? If a light stays on, you know you got a problem. You need to look at it. But if you notice the check engine light didn't come on, the bulb could be burned out, or someone could have removed it to hide a problem.
Uh-oh. And you want that check engine light to be working and let you know what's up.
Yep. So, you know, it's worthwhile to go into a shop, a NARPA shop, us, anybody, and have them do a real evaluation of what you're buying. Unless you're buying from a great dealer. And there's lots of good dealers out there. They're not going to play with you. Okay, so reasons to buy new. Warranty. Peace of mind.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
On the other hand, this is my wife's car. It's a 2014. We bought it a little over a year ago. In 2014, that sold for $69,500. Okay? We bought it a little over a year ago, paid $20,000. I'm kind of allergic to car payments.
Yeah, I get it.
So it had less than 50,000 miles on it, so we still have warranty, okay? And she'll drive it to 200,000 miles. Yeah. It's a slam dunk.
Yeah.
So need to balance it.
And it's beautiful.
It is. She loves it.
Yeah.
And happy wife, happy life.
Yes.
So reasons to buy, lifestyle changes.
Okay.
We just talked about that. You got twins coming? You probably can't use the CLS 350 anymore.
I don't have twins coming. I'll stay in the two-seater.
Also look at insurance costs. Because newer cars, insurance are more money.
Okay.
Scott and I were talking. He's bought this new Dodge truck, a couple years old. Set of tires for that Dodge truck can be $700-800. Set of tires for this is $1,500 because it's got ride characteristics. So you got to figure those things in.
Yeah. Okay? Sometimes you'll get surprised by some of these numbers.
That's right. And insurance. Insurance will really surprise you. So good evaluation. Work with an ASE certified technician, certified shop, so they can really give you some value. Most of them will do a nice evaluation of a vehicle for you if you're buying from a private party. And don't be afraid to go to a dealer. I hear people say all the time, dealer was only going to give me 20 grand for mine in a trade-in. I sold it for 21. Well, if you'd have sold it to the dealer and traded it at 20, you'd have got 10% tax credit for that, which would have been 22. They got to balance those things out.
So it's coming toward the end of the year. We're going to be seeing a lot of these sales that look very tempting.
Yep.
Run the numbers.
Run the numbers, run the numbers. And don't be afraid to buy a year old because you've got 2020, got some 2019s. In my case, I do a lot of miles.
Yeah.
So I would buy a 2019 because when you calculate miles, they figure 15,000 miles a year. Okay. So if I go to 2019 and 2021, my mileage is perfect because I do 30 a year.
Perfect. Howard, thank you. Community Tire Pros, go see Howard. He'll help you out.